So I came home from a long day at work to find this wonderful surprise waiting for me outside my door. It is a package from my friends. They told me they were going to send me some stationery, some of the stuff they had bought that they hadn't used, and I think some new things as well. So I'm going to unbox it, and I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Off you. Okay, first we have a file folder. Very pretty. I love these kind of patterns. Very, very nice. We have some fruity candy. This is, I think, when they visited Korea, I lent them some transit cards. Oh wait, there's washi tape in here too. So these are transit cards, I think. Korean plug. This is also a transit card. What is this? Little writing marker watch. Oh my goodness, what is this? What is this? And little washi tapes. I should swash them later. Ooh, is this the bean book? Ooh, what is this? Oh wow, it's a flip book. It's the planets, but also fruit. I don't know what's going on here, but I like it. Is this the Big Bang explained with the pulsing peach? I don't know what's going on. I will look at that later. Okay, and we've got a watch. Post-its, I think. And we have Paper Source place cards. Those are cute. And metallic markers. Okay, I'm gonna try these out in a second. Oh, I think this is a bike path of the Nakdong River in Korea. Excellent. For when I ever get a bike and need to bike that path. Some little stickers and ooh, some scrapbook paper. Got nice scrapbook paper. And a box that says dyeing supplies. But it looks like stationery, more stationery. Oh, look. Yay, little letter sets, I think. Oh, cute. Cute. Letter sets, thank you cards. Got lots of people to be thankful for. And cute envelopes. Aww. This is, I think, mostly their stationery stuff that they had bought for themselves to use. These are cute little bear notes. Envelopes, very nice, very cute. Little tiny cards of an angel garden. I don't think you can send these in the mail, but super cute to give someone in person. A little tiny bag filled with little stickers. Oh, I love that these are the stickers Julia used to use. I think I recognize these chickens. I think I might have given her these chickens. These chickens look very familiar. These might be from Korea. Maybe not. More envelopes. Ooh, metallic envelopes. Ooh, little note cards. This might be the kind of cards you're supposed to write like vertically. Cool. It's interesting to see like into my friend's stationery taste too, to see what kind of things she bought. Okay, yeah, so it's totally brown, plain. Very good. All the cool mail art people use craft envelopes, so excited to try that out. Ooh, this is very nice. Ooh, it's really, really cool paper. It's like handmade paper. See, this is the sort of thing you'd be afraid to write on because you would mess up with your handwriting. Ribbon mini card set. Oh, I guess you write on it and then fold it into a ribbon. Aw. Keep going and think of the future. Oh, this is like Household matters. I can keep it up because I'm doing what I want. Sparkly origami. Now this is really interesting to see what she's bought over the years. Kyoto postcards. Very nice. Save some paper bags. Very thrifty. Wax paper bags to use for presents. And it's like some cardstock. And some sheets of letter sets with omurice, I think. Oh yay! This feels really special to inherit someone's stationery collection. I will do my best to honor it and use it to spread good cheer to people. And I'm going to swash some of these washi tapes because they want to be swashed. Where shall I swash it? Valentine's Day, just in time for Valentine's Day tomorrow. Heart washi. I like them. They're cute and they're nothing like I have in my collection as for this one, so they make a very nice addition. Ooh, we should try these out. Last thing I need is more art supplies, but also the only thing I need is more art supplies. Ooh, highly pigmented wax crayons. They've used on cardstock, chipboard, canvas. Ooh, canvas. Embossed and textured paper, wood, glass, and ceramic. Mix and match with wet mediums like inks, paints, gelatos to create. Okay, so they're wax crayons, so I can wet them with water and they will like turn painty, I think. Let's see what happens when we add water to them. Oh wait, wax means they're water resistant, right? So what you could do is draw something with the crayons and they would resist the water is what we are finding out. Okay, so that's how wax crayons react to water. They nicely resist it. Very cool. Yeah, they're very, wax resistant to water. That makes sense now. Anyway, thank you friends for bequeathing your stationery upon me. I'll do my best to enjoy it and share the love. Bye. Oh, thank you.